Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this Christmas light bulb eyeshadow. I really love how this all came out. If you'd like to see how I got these light bulbs on my eyes, please keep on watching. To start off this eyeshadow tutorial, I'm going to take my p.louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 on an M224 brush and pat that all over my eyelid. Then taking this Luxie 249 brush, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to dip into the green shade, and then taking the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm going to dip into that green shade as well, and I'm going to start packing that into my crease and working it in. Then using the Morphe 35B palette and dipping into that light shade on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start diffusing the green. This green, the light green, it has a little bit of a sheen to it, but that's okay because we're just going to use it to diffuse it, and then we'll build it back up again. And then I'll be taking the same M224 brush and the p.louise base in the shade Rumor 0 and start cutting out my crease. And I always start stamping on my lid, and then as I go out to my outer corner, I just swipe out. And I'll be taking Sugarpill's eyeshadow in the shade Tako, and I'll be setting where I cut my crease. Now I'll be taking a black liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to start lining the top of my crease. I first did a thin line, then I went back and just thickened it just a little bit. And to start the light bulbs, I'll be taking the black liner again and just making little dashes on every other side. And to start the first light bulb, I'm going to take the red NYX liner and I'm going to start adding my little bulb. I just kind of did the little teardrop shape and just kind of blended it to the bottom. Then I used the yellow liner and added a bulb right next to the red one, and then I'll be taking the NYX Vivid Sapphire eyeliner and adding the bulb on the bottom. And I already did my other eye off camera, and I'm so sorry, my camera ended up dying. I didn't get to film my wing liner, the glitter liner, my inner corner, or my under eye shadow, and my lipstick, so I'm super sorry about that. My routine for my inner corner and my under eye shadow and my lipstick is all usually the same, but I will still link those products below. Next, I'll be taking the NYX White Jumbo Liner in the shade Milk, and I'm going to add that to my waterline. Then I'll be taking some Tarte mascara and adding that to my top and bottom lashes. Then taking this Tarte highlighter in the shade Exposed, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone, my inner corner, my nose, and my cheekbones. Next, I'll be taking my Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my face, and then I'll be pressing it in with my beauty sponge. Then I'll be taking that same highlighter and going over my highlighted areas just for an extra glow. Alright guys, and that completes this Christmas light bulb tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any makeup product I use will be in my description below. Please don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.